Hello. Today I'm going to read you a story called The Surprise in the Box. Look out for 10 phrasal verbs commonly used in everyday conversations. Are you ready? Let's begin. The Surprise in the Box. Samantha was having a quiet afternoon at home when she decided to pick up a package from the front door. She had no idea who it was from. She couldn't remember ordering anything recently. Curious, she opened up the box carefully and found a beautiful silver necklace inside. There was no note, just the necklace. She looked at the jewellery for a moment and wondered who could have sent it. It didn't seem like something she would pick out for herself. Samantha decided to call up her friend Lucy. Maybe she could help solve the mystery. "Hey, Lucy, I just got a weird package," Samantha said. "Do you think it's from you?" Lucy was quick to answer. "No, I didn't send you anything, but that's strange. I think you should look into it. Maybe there's a clue on the necklace?" Samantha felt unsure, but she decided to look over the necklace more closely. Sure enough, hidden in a small compartment inside the pendant was a tiny note. The note said, "I'm always watching over you." Samantha felt chills. Who was sending her this mysterious gift? She needed to figure out who was behind it. She decided to take it back to the store to see if they had any information, but as she walked out the door, her phone rang. It was her grandmother. "I was just about to check in on you. Did you receive the necklace I sent you?" Samantha laughed. "Grandma, you didn't have to send over something so fancy. I thought it was a secret admirer or something." Her grandmother smiled warmly. "I wanted to remind you that I'm always here for you, even if I can't be there in person. I'm glad you picked up the box." What are phrasal verbs? Phrasal verbs are verb plus preposition or adverb. Example: give plus up, give up. These combinations often have a meaning that's different from the individual words. So, give up means to quit. Example: he gave up smoking many years ago. The verb changes when used in different tenses. Pick up, to collect or gather something. Example, picking up a package from the door. Open up, to open something, usually a container or package, in order to see what's inside. Pick out, to choose something from a selection. Example, choosing jewellery for yourself. Call up, to make a phone call to someone. Example, she decided to call up her friend. Look into, to investigate or examine something more carefully. Look over, to examine or inspect something closely. Example, inspecting the necklace. Figure out, to find a solution or understand something after thinking about it. Take it back, to return something to the place where it came from. Example, returning the necklace to the store. Check in, to contact or get in touch with someone to see how they are doing, often used for a routine check or update. Send over, to send something to someone. Example, sending a gift or package.